Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier Uni-Buds wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to Bluetooth or they're not pairing with your device, or if the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, any kind of bugs like this that you're trying to fix can very often be fixed with this factory reset. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to delete all of the pairing history off of them so that you can get a fresh start and set these earbuds up like you're setting up a brand new pair on a new device or something like that, we can go ahead and do this really simply. We just need to put the earbuds in the case, leaving the case open as shown here, and we're just going to come in and press and hold the button on here for approximately 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, you will see on the display it will reset to the factory default settings. You can go ahead and pair them with a new device as though they were just coming out of the box.